Good afternoon, students. We study in chapter 1 numbers. In Indian place value chart, there are 4 periods. In Indian place value chart, there are 4 periods. In Indian place value chart, there are 4 periods. First is ones, then second thousand, lakhs and crore. In ones period, there are 3 places. In ones period, there are 3 places. Ones, tens, hundred. Again, in ones period, there are 3 places. Ones, tens, hundred. Then we put a comma. Then thousand place, thousand and 10,000. In lakh period, lakh and 10 lakh. Then crore periods, crore and 10 crore. In each period end, we put a comma. In each period end, we put a comma. Again say ones, tens, hundred, then put a comma. Thousand, 10,000, then put a comma. Lakh, 10 lakh, then we put a comma. Crore and 10 crore. Understand it? Again say ones, tens, hundred, then comma, thousand, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh, comma, crore and 10 crore. In each period end, we put a comma. Then here, for example, how to write this number? Then ones, tens, hundred, then put a comma. Thousand, 10,000. Then how to read this number? You read this group together, then this group together. Read this number 37,450. Again read 37,450. Then another example, 4,35,420. Again you write ones, tens, hundred, then put a comma, thousand, 10,000, put a comma, lakh. Then you read 4,35,420. Are you understand how to read the number and write? Understand? Yes or no? Yes. Again. Then again ones, tens, hundred, then put a comma, thousand, 10,000, then put a comma, lakh. Read this number 5,36,115. 5,36,115. Understand this? Then place value and face value. Place value and face value. What is a face value? What is a face value? A face value is the value, the digit itself. The digit itself. 4, 5, 7, 8. 4,578. Write the face value of each digit. What is the question? Write the face value of each digit. Each digit की face value आपको write करने. Then the face value of 8 is 8. What is the face value of 8? 8. The face value of 7 is 7. The face value of 5 is 5. The face value of 4 is 4. You understand? The face value, again repeat. The face value of 8 is 8. The face value of 7 is 7. The face value of 5 is 5. the face value of 4 is 4. Understand? Face value, understand all students? Then next, place value. At a place value. Place value is the, इसमें फॉर्मूला है प्लेस वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू फेस वैल्यू मल्टीप्लाई place of the digit. What is place value is equal to face value FV. FV means face value. Face value multiply place of the digit. For example, the first the face value of 9 is 9 multiply which place 9 sit? Which place in 9 sit? One's place. Okay, 1. Then the face value of 6 is 6. Which place sit? 10. Then the face value of 5 is 5. Which place 5 sit? 100. Then 4. The face value of 4 is 4 multiply which place sit? 1000. Then 7. Face value of 7 is 7 multiply which place 7 sit? 10,000. Then we write 9, then 60, then 500, then 4,000, then 70,000. Understand? Each place value of each digit. Understand? All students understand? Next one question again. What is the face value of what is the face value and place value of 4? Which is the question? What is the face value and place value of 4? Then face value, you make it 2 column, face value, then place value. Then write. What is the face value of 4? 4. What is the place value? Face value multiply. Which place 4 sit? 1000 is equal to 4000. Understand? The face value of 4 is 4. The place value value of 4 is 4000. Then how to read the number? Make a write the number. 50,000 50,400 5. Then the highest place is 50,000. You write ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. There is no lakh place here. 50,000, 10,000, 50,000, 400, 4. There is no missing in tens place. Here any tens place here? No, missing. We put 0. We put 0. Then 5. Understand? Then formation of number. Write the smallest and greatest 6-digit number, 6-digit number, making using these digits. That is 3, 2, 0, 5, 4, 6. Again read the question. Write the smallest and greatest 6-digit number using these digits. First we arrange these numbers in ascending order. We get the smallest number. Then first we arrange these numbers in smallest order. Arrange in ascending order. Ascending order. Then we get a greatest number. We arrange these digits in descending order. We arrange these digits in descending order. First we smallest number. Smallest number. Which is the smallest digit here? 0. Which is the smallest digit here? 0. But we don't take 0 in first. We don't take 0 in first. Then which digit we take? 2. 2 we take in first, then you take a 0. Understand? Don't put a comma. Then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. Understand? Understand this? Then greatest number. Greatest number. Which digit is the greatest? 6, then 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 0. Here the formation of a number. Then as comparing the numbers. How to compare the numbers? Comparing the numbers. Compare. Comparing the numbers. Yes, 4784. Here also 4785. First you look the highest place. Ones times 100,000. Here also ones times 100,000. The highest 4. Here also 4. The next place you look, here 7, here 7. Next place 8, here 8. Both are same. The next place 4 and 5. Which is greater? 5 is greater. Therefore, 4785 is greater. You put this sign. Understand the comparing numbers? Then round off. Stop karo. Round off. Round off nearest 10. Round off nearest 10. We round off nearest 10. We look in ones place. Which place we look? Ones place. Which place we look? Ones place. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4. In ones place, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Come in ones place. There is no change in tens place. There is no change in tens place. Here which digit come in ones place? 4. We write 4, 5, 3, 0. There is no change in tens place. Here which digit? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 come in ones place. We add 1 in tens place. We add 1 in tens place. Which digit come in ones place here? 8. Therefore, we change this tens place. Tens place go to 7. Then 4, 5, 7, 0. Understand? Understand all students? Then nearest 100. Nearest 100. In near round of nearest 100, we look in tens place. Which place we look? Tens place. Which place we look? Tens place. Again 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Come in tens place. There is no change in 100 place. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 come in tens place. 1 add in 100 place. 1 add in 100 place. Here which digit come in tens place? 3. There is no change in 100 place. Then our number 4, 5, 0, 0. Here 4, 6, 0, 0. Understand this? The nearest 1000. Nearest, we round off nearest 1000. We look in 100 place. Which place we look? 100 place. Again 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 come in 100 place. There is no change in 1000 place. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 come in 100 place. 1 add in 1000 place. 1 add in 1000 place. Here which digit come in 100 place? 3 come in 100 place. There we write 7. There is no change here. 7, 0, 0, 0. Then here 5 come in 100 place. We write 8, 0, 0, 0. Understand this? The nearest 10,000. Next nearest 10,000. We round off nearest 10,000. We look in 1000 place. We look in 1000 place. We look in 1000 place. Here which digit coming here in 1000 place? 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 come in 1000 place. There is no change in 10,000 place. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 come in 1000 place. 1 add in 10,000 place. Which digit coming here for in 1000 place? 4. 4 come in 1000 place. There is no change. 7, 0, 0, 0, 0. Here which place? 8. Then we add 1 in 10,000 place. 8, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is the rounding of 10,000. Next topic is Roman numerals. Roman numerals. Roman numbers. There are 7 symbols in Roman numerals. How many symbols? 7 symbols. Roman numerals. Roman numbers. Here Hindu, Arabic. Then there are 7 symbols in Roman numerals. First I. I stands for 1. I stands for 1. V stands for 5. V stands for 5. X stands for 10, X stands for 10, then L stands for 50, L stands for 50, C stands for 100, then D stands for 500, last M, M stands for 1000. What are the symbols? I, repeat again, I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X stands for 10, L stands for 50, C stands for 100, D stands for 500, M stands for 1000. I, X, C and M. What are the? I, X, C, M are repeated 3 times. How many times? 3 times. I, X, C, M are repeated 3 times. Then V, L, D are never repeated. V, L, D are never repeated. Then for example 478. How to write? How to write 478? Then first you expanded form. 400 plus 70 plus 8. Then 400 we write C and D plus 70 L X plus 8. Then we write 478. Understand? Then 99. How to write 99? XC 90. Again you expanded 90 plus 9. 90 plus 9. Then X and C 90 plus 9. 99. 99. How to write 40? How to write 40? Then XL. How to write 68? L, X, 60, then 8. Understand? Then, thank you for listening me.